Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In the short tutorial, I will discuss about how to fix battery draining issue on your iPhone on iOS devices after iOS 18 update. So follow me step by step. First of all, restart your iPhone volume up button, volume down button and press and hold power button until you will see this screen. Simply slide here. After a few seconds or minutes, simply turn on your iPhone. I hope your problem will be solved. If this method not work, so open App Store application and tap on profile icon. Here is guys, update all the application that are available for update by clicking on update all. Here is close this window and open setting application on your iPhone again, and here is scroll down and tap on battery, and here is check which application is consuming more battery, then reduce its usage. Now guys, go back from here. Now tap on general. Now scroll down, tap on reset all setting, because guys sometimes battery draining issue starts after major update of iOS, and then doing a reset all setting can fix this problem. So guys, don't worry, don't lose your data. So guys, the last way it's wait for the future updates 18.1 and update it, because all the bug fixes that come in the major update of iOS, then they get fixed within the next updates. I hope this video helpful for you. So guys, please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.